Alright, so what do you think about this MSF?
Good. Yeah, I've been asking my team what did SHRDC value add. I think my team leader here gave me a very good answer. It's like learning how to drive, right? I think the institution, the training have provided my team a starting point. Yeah, so very basic thing, but very usable. And then my team bring it forward. Yeah, they don't like to drive a Proton Vira. I think they have brought it to driving a sports car, you know. That's why we further take the learning and expand it into something greater. I think without this training, we won't have the basic knowledge to expand on it.
I think that the MSF is actually very beneficial to Malaysia industry, especially the manufacturing industry. It opens up a lot of possibilities to Malaysian industry in terms of IR 4.0, definitely. Yeah, so I think SHRDC has done a very good job in implementing this kind of IR 4.0 in Malaysia. That is my opinion.
So I think having this award is a recognition personally to my team and myself. In the sense that it motivates us to move forward. End of the day, I think Malaysia are too relying on foreign labour. The end game is to take this opportunity to make sure that we play our part to increase our productivity, do everything we can to also improve the quality of the products that we manufacture so that we can compete in the global world. Yeah. So I think this MS award, I think Malaysian Smart Factory Award, give us confidence that we are in the right track. So we will continue to further look into how to make this greater.
Thank you for the SHRDC for the award, and then that one is actually is a recognition like what my boss say, and then it's like all our effort is like rewarded lah.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Shazwan Kamil bin Razali. I am from Kianju Canpack. Actually, Kianju Canpack started on 2004, and then Kianju Canpack actually focus on beverage can filling, which means we are co-packer for our customer. And then about HRDC, before we involve with training SHRDC, we get information. We try to get information about sustainability, which is we try to digitalize our energy consumption. Example like electricity, water, natural gas, and then from this digitalization, we found that SHRDC provide us the training. So that's why after we discuss with SHRDC, we interest to join training that digitalize our utilities.
Hi, my name is Han. So I am basically come from the same company as Shazwan. We are from Kianju Canpack Nilai. So basically, I've done through the energy saving project, and then with the help of SHRDC, we are finally managed to go through the very first step. So called about the process, right? At first, we actually faced some certain difficulties, such as we couldn't put any data out from the devices. But thanks to SHRDC, because they don't actually hesitate, they are very willing to help us with their 101%. So with their help, we actually pull out the whole project successfully.
Hello, my name is Yahya Nur Muhammad bin Aris Alias Harry, and I'm representing for my company Roski Sudan Berhad. So, from the Malaysian Smart Factory 4.0 Innovation Initiative, what SHRDC has helped us throughout this journey is to teach us a lot of ranges of industrial skills, which range from data generation to OEE. Throughout the journey, they have aided not just teaching us these courses, but also aid us offline and on-site to help us succeed in implementing this application, especially the OEE dashboard. Thank you very much. That's all from me.